On the opening day of India vs Australia cricket tour, hundreds joined Stop Adani protest at the Sydney Cricket Ground and the Indian consulates in Canberra and Melbourne. Bypassing the security, two of the protesters also made their way into the field during the first ODI between India and Australia. They raised no $1 billion Adani loan placards and were later escorted out of the pitch. The protesters called on the State Bank of India to take back its decision to provide loans worth $1 billion Australian dollars to Adani Enterprises for its Carmichael coal mine project in Australia. They alleged the loan would hand over Indian taxpayer funds to Adani to dig its Australian coal mine, which no bank in the world has so far been willing to fund. As per the Stop Adani, the Adani Group has been forced to self-finance the Carmichael coal project after failing to secure finance from private companies. Over 89 companies have now committed to not support the controversial project, it further added. Both SBI and Adani had signed an MOU regarding a $1 billion loan in 2014. Following intense controversy over the Carmichael coal mine project, the State Bank of India had earlier walked away from proposed $1 billion loan to Adani in 2015. But now, reports suggest the SBI has agreed to offer Rs 5,000 crore loan to Adani's Bravus Mining after concerns related to the project were addressed. The spokespeople of Stop Adani, Manjot Kaur and Varsha Yajman said, the State Bank of India needs to ball out Adani's loan and swing the bat for a safe future for Indians. Cricket is India's most loved game, and as millions of Indian taxpayers watch the match today, we are letting them know that the State Bank of India is at risk of handing their money to a billionaire to dig a polluting coal mine in Australia. If you have ever been to an Indian cricket game, you will know that people of India are proud of their country and their sport. We want to make sure that Indians can be proud of their state bank as well.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.